Hi everyone, it's Tiffany and Nova with Easy Toddler Hairstyles. Today we are showing you a really simple toddler and little girl's hairstyle. This would be a perfect hairstyle if your little one is growing their bangs out or if they have really short hair, because it works with the front bangs and you don't have to pull the back very far. We also have some really exciting news.
We're gonna have a baby.
That's right, we're gonna have a baby. So if you guys are interested in watching our pregnancy journey, I'm going to link my other YouTube channel down below and you can watch my pregnancy updates.
She hears you talking.
Really?
Let's get started.
So once the hair is prepped, this style should take you 5 minutes or less. We are just going to make a part from ear to ear, and it's going to be right at the back of the ear. You can bring it up a little bit, you can bring it back a little bit, depending on how far back you want the style to go. The rest of the hair we're going to secure in a ponytail so it's out of the way. With this front section, I'm going to create about a 2-inch part on either side, right in the middle of your child's forehead. Once you've got this section parted off, we're going to add an elastic at the back of this section, keeping it low and towards the scalp. The next thing that we're going to do is separate this left side into 2 more sections, splitting it in half. I'm just going to add 1 ponytail to the very edge, and then on this other section I'm going to split it in half. You'll notice that my comb, when I part it, it's going whatever way I want my part to go. It's just easier to part out that way. If you need tips on parting hair, I'll link a video below. So I'm going to add 1 ponytail, and then with the second section I'm simply going to add another ponytail directly behind it. And then we're just going to repeat this on the right side. So this is basically like an elastic headband with a twist, since we add 2 connected ponies on either side. If you've got a toddler with very short and fine hair, you can just do the 3 middle sections. But again, I'm splitting this section in half, adding a ponytail to the front, and then we're going to connect it to the back ponytail, smoothing with your comb as you go. Like I said, it's a really simple, fast one, and it's great for little ones if you're growing out their bangs or if they have really short hair that you just want to keep out of their face. So here is one final look at our finished style. We hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and that you'll come back every Friday to see our new tutorials. Our styles range from simple to intermediate, and we will see you again next week. Bye.
Bye.